Friends, we all know that modern-day pythons are huge in size. These snakes can grow up to 17 to 20 feet long, and just seeing them is enough to scare us. Now imagine, friends, what if there were snakes on Earth that were 10 times bigger than these? How massive would they be? Yes, friends, we all know such huge snakes don't exist today, but if we look back into history, we'll find snakes that were several times bigger than modern pythons. Luckily, those snakes are now extinct. And in today's video, we're going to learn about 10 such prehistoric giant snakes that vanished from the Earth long ago. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's begin. 10th, Eupodophis. Eupodophis was a prehistoric marine snake, meaning it was a type of snake that lived in the sea. They lived on Earth around 90 million years ago, during the late Cretaceous period in ocean regions. They were a medium-sized snake species, growing up to 3 feet in length. Eupodophis was actually a transitional snake, showing a mix of Cretaceous lizards and legged snakes. They had 2 small leg-like structures near the end of their body, but those legs were not used for movement. According to scientists, they went extinct forever around 90 million years ago. Unfortunately, no well-preserved fossils of this species have been found, which makes it very difficult for scientists to do deep research on them. Friends, our ebook, Prehistoric Beasts and Battle Titans, brings Earth's greatest creatures back to life, from mammoths and saber-toothed cats to Leviathan and Godzilla. Each page is packed with stunning, realistic visuals and fascinating facts about the real giants that once ruled our planet. Read it once, and you'll know these beasts better than anyone around you. Grab it now from the description below. 9. Wanambi. Australia is a country known for having many dangerous animal species. During the Pleistocene era, a giant and aggressive snake called Wanambi lived in Australia. These snakes could grow up to 19 feet long. Their main prey included kangaroos and wallabies, as well as other animals that came near rivers to drink water. Some scientists believe that these fierce snakes went extinct during the Ice Age due to climate change. However, they haven't found any strong evidence to prove that theory. 8. Tetrapodophis. Tetrapodophis was a species of extinct snake with 4 legs. They went extinct during the early Cretaceous period. About 120 million years ago, they lived in the dense jungles of what is now South America. Among all prehistoric snakes, this was one of the smallest species, usually growing around 1 foot in length. Even though they were small in size, they were extremely aggressive, sometimes even more so than much larger snakes. In 2015, their fossils were discovered for the first time. After detailed research on those fossils, scientists learned that they were capable of moving very fast. These snakes became fully extinct about 120 million years ago. 7. Dinilysia. Dinilysia was a type of prehistoric snake that lived in the jungles of South America during the late Cretaceous period. That means they roamed the Earth between 90 and 85 million years ago. These snakes usually grew 6 to 10 feet in length and weighed around 10 to 20 pounds. This species was very aggressive and fed on small animals. They had excellent hearing, which helped them detect prey from far away. That's why they are considered a very fierce snake species. Dinilysia never lived in water. They went extinct about 85 million years ago due to changes in the Earth's climate. 6th, Madtsoia. Madtsoia was a prehistoric snake species that lived on Earth from about 90 million to 2 million years ago. They were found in Africa, Madagascar, South America, and parts of Europe. On average, Madtsoia could grow between 10 to 30 feet long and weighed around 22 kilograms. They were one of the largest snake species of their time, but around 2 million years ago, these powerful and fearsome snakes became completely extinct. Scientists still don't know exactly why or how they disappeared, so they are continuing research on the fossils of Madtsoia. Hopefully, in the future, we'll discover more new facts about them. 5. Yurlunggur. Yurlunggur was a fierce, giant prehistoric snake species that lived in northern Australia during the Miocene era. They could generally grow up to 18.11 feet long, but in some cases, they might have grown even beyond 19 feet. Scientists in Australia have discovered many fossils of this snake species, and through research, they found that these snakes preferred to live in water, but exactly when and how they went extinct is still unknown. Hopefully, in the future, we'll learn more about it. 4. Najash. Najash is the only known legged snake species that has been discovered outside the Middle East. Previously, all legged snake species were found in desert regions of the Middle East, but this species lived in the jungles of South America around 90 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period. These snakes were believed to grow quite long, though scientists still don't have an exact measurement of their length. When Najash fossils were first discovered, scientists were shocked. They never imagined a snake could have legs. This species had 2 small legs near near the end of its body. Now imagine, if modern snakes still had legs, how strange that would look. So, Najash went extinct around 90 million years ago. They no longer exist today, but fossils are still occasionally found in parts of South America. Third, Sanajeh. Sanajeh was a large prehistoric snake species whose main food was dinosaur eggs. That's why the dinosaurs living during that time were terrified of them. These snakes generally grew up to 11 feet in length and weighed around 11 to 22 kilograms. The strange thing is, unlike today's snakes, Sanajeh didn't have flexible bones, so they couldn't twist and slither the way modern snakes do. Along with eggs, they also ate baby dinosaurs. They lived in what is now India during the late Cretaceous period, about 67 million years ago. In 1984, an 11-foot-long Sanajeh fossil was discovered in a small village in India. Through research, scientists confirmed that they could grow up to 11 feet long. But scientists still don't know when or how this species went extinct. And since ancient India includes regions like modern-day Bangladesh, it's possible these snakes once lived in this areas too. We're lucky that such a deadly snake doesn't exist anymore. If they still lived today, they would have been a serious threat to us. 2. Gigantophis. Until a few years ago, Gigantophis was considered the largest snake species to have ever lived on Earth. Gigantophis was a very aggressive and monstrous prehistoric snake species that lived about 40 million years ago during the Eocene epoch. They usually measured between 30 and 36 feet in length. Due to their massive size, they could easily swallow a human whole. Gigantophis mainly lived in the southern Sahara region, in present-day Algeria and Egypt. Their main prey included baby elephants and crocodiles. Modern snakes run away when they see these animals, but Gigantophis used to hunt and eat them without fear. 1. Titanoboa. Titanoboa is likely the largest snake species to have ever lived on Earth, as no bigger snake has been discovered to this day. Titanoboa lived on Earth about 60 million years ago. It was around 50 feet long and weighed more than 1,000 kilograms. The way Titanoboa hunted was similar to how today's pythons do. They would wrap around their prey, suffocate it, and then swallow it whole. Titanoboa was so aggressive that it could even swallow small dinosaurs and crocodiles. The largest known modern snake weighs about 250 kilograms, but any Titanoboa would weigh over 1,000 kilograms. So by now, you probably understand why Titanoboa is considered the most terrifying snake in history. Titanoboa's first fossil was found in 2009 during mining in Colombia. That fossil shocked scientists because they had previously believed that Gigantophis was the largest snake. But the discovery of Titanoboa proved that theory wrong. Titanoboas needed to eat a large amount of food daily and could possibly swallow 2 fully grown humans at once. Despite being so strong and deadly, Titanoboa went extinct around 60 million years ago, but scientists still can't say exactly why. Some believe Earth's temperature started rising gradually at that time, which may have caused their extinction. But with global warming increasing again over the last 200 years, some believe Titanoboa might return if temperatures keep rising. To learn more about this, check out this video on our channel. Friends, do you want to see what Earth would look like with these snakes today? Watch our video, What If Titanoboa Never Go Extinct next. So friends, that was today's short video. Don't forget to leave a comment below telling us how you liked it. And to see more prehistoric videos like this, subscribe to our channel.